Hello everyone and welcome to this new stream. A lot of people were asking how I made this program back in the day in Python that would create tower inside of Minecraft. And since I already made that in the past, I thought about making something a bit different. Maybe some of you will complain about that I want to make something new. But I was thinking, can I make the same thing in Minetest, which is the game I'm playing instead of Minecraft because it has more features, it's more fun, it's more like it's free, so you don't have to rebuy it each time you want to play it on a different computer. And yeah, it does what I need it to do. So I played this game instead, and I looked for this mod called World Edit for Minetest, and it's a bit different than the World Edit for Minecraft. So I installed that mod, and what it does, it allows me to enter these comments. So for example, I can set a position for these two nodes. So I have the node 1 and node 2. Okay, so I'm setting 1 to the position 8, 8, let's say 0 instead, and make it even taller. So I changed the position of the node 1. Now the node 1 is there, and then the node 2 is still there. And now I can just set it to glass. And now it's all glass. So and I don't know how to unset these two things, if I can just hide them, but maybe it's in the menu. If I go back, set nodes, no back, get set region, mark region, unmarked region. There you go. So it's unmarked, and there's a way to do this all from this command line text comment interface. And the reason why we want to do it with text is that then we can make a program that will do the calculation for us on how to build a tower. Sorry. And enter these into the game. So we do the calculation in the program, and the program enter the final calculation stuff in the game. So but that's what we needed first, a way to set position, which we have with the command fix pos, and then we can give it a position. We also can get our position, our current position, with pget, I think that's the one, and on top of me is my position I had, I think. Let's try that again, but at another position. So let's move further. Let's say I'm here and I want the position, and I do pget. Is that giving me the new current position? I don't think it is. I don't think it's working. So but you can still use the get position button, and no, it's not giving me my position. So that doesn't seems to be working. Position 2 here, position 1 here. So I can place position 1 manually where I am, and place position 2, let's say here. So if I go into E, position 2, now I have this selected. But that's when you do it manually. So I need a way from the terminal to get the position, and also that has to be manual, I guess. I need to be able to place like the first node, which is this thing, where the player is, because I cannot get the position as a number in the terminal and send that to the program that's going to be external. The program is going to be completely external to game. The only thing that it's going to do is type command here and calculate what it needs to type to create the tower that we want and the material that we want. So that's just step 1. I just wanted to show you this. Set glass. It did not work. Why? Let's try again, and unmark. There you go. So you need to use 2 backlash. That's the issue I'm getting most of them. And now we get glass. You can build large scale stuff with that, and the way it works basically is going to be way easier than how I did it in Minecraft, because in Minecraft, if I remember correctly, the command only allowed you to place 1 block at a time. So I had to do all the calculation to place all these blocks one by one to create these blocks and then build on top of them. So it was harder in Minecraft. It's gonna be way easier to build the same program and mine test. I just need to get comfortable with the documentation of the world edit tool for mine test. Oh, I have another game open here. Thankfully, it's a well optimized game. But the documentation, mine test, world edit, and we want the comment basically, and it's on GitHub. It's right there. You have all the command that you can use, and in another video I will code the script that enter these commands to build towers and stuff. But that's just step one, you know. And it's an old script. I made it so long ago I no longer have it. I was still using Windows back in the day. So that tells you just how long ago this is. This is about 8 years ago maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. I don't remember exactly when I made that first script to build towers in Minecraft. But yeah, it was a while ago. And now we're gonna do the same in Minetest. I know that people don't care. I know that people, oh well, but when I'm playing Minecraft, it's not the same game, so it's pointless. I wanted to build a tower in my game, in Minecraft, in my world. Well, once I'm done with that, doing it for Minetest, maybe I'll reprogram the code for Minecraft. But I'm a bit lazy. You know, I got other stuff to do, like finding a job. And even though I am a good programmer and I can make a bunch of cool stuff, it's still hard to find a job in Montreal. Yep, that's crazy. I know. So your skills probably don't matter as much as they should when applying for a job, because so far they're not really asking about my skills. They're asking, where did you work previously? What is your work experience? What is your formation? Do you have like, did you went to school to study programming? No? Well, we don't care then about your skills. So it's not about your skills, it's where you went, which is pretty stupid. And in most cases, most job, they don't look for your skills. They don't even verify your skills. They don't care. They don't even know how to evaluate your skills. That's why they ask you, have you been to a, like, have you a formation, is that how it's called? I don't have the word in English for it. But did you do the proper education in that field? Do you have the proper education in that field? And if you're self-taught, like I am, that's worth nothing for most job recruiter, because they don't know how to evaluate you. So if you don't have like a traditional way of education that has pre-evaluated you, basically, they don't take the risk. They don't take the risk hiring you. Like, you could be the best programmer in the world. You could be Linus Torvalds. You could be Bill Gates. I don't know. They don't care unless you have like proper traditional education, or that you worked in the field in the past for a long period of time. So, which is crazy, because you need to start somewhere, and it's the same loophole, you know. You need to work in a company as a programmer to get programmer job, but you cannot get programmer job because you don't have experience. So that's, I'm not the only one that has felt that, lived that, but nobody fixes this. Recruiter still sucks. What do you want me to say? Getting a job as a programmer is hard. Yeah. That's for this stream. I just wanted to show you this mod and mine test, and explaining to you that, yeah, it's possible. I can make it the same mod that I had done, the same script that I had done for Minecraft. I can do it in mine test, and I'm gonna do it in mine test. And as for Minecraft, well, I will probably publish the script for mine test online, and you can use it to make your the same thing in Minecraft. I don't know why nobody did that before me. Actually, nobody cared when I did that the first time, because if people had cared back then, I would probably have done something with the script, but now I no longer have it because it's been like 10 years. And now people are like, oh, damn, that's cool. I want the script. Do something with it. And I'm like, that's 10 years ago. And now it's like, it's getting popular because I made a short of it. And YouTube is promoting shorts. So there was interest in that script. Just I did not have the visibility back in the day that I have now.